Welcome to my channel, Say Academy Academy, and today we are going to deal with SRE 2410. Okay. What if I told you without even doing a full audit, you can still give assurance on financials that exactly where SRE 2410 becomes your secret weapon? Imagine this, a company has already been audited for the year, but now, after 6 months, they publish interim financials. Do we audit again? Do we ignore? No. We perform a review under SRE 2410. Let's break this to understand more properly. What is SRE 2410? SRE 2410 deals with review of interim financial information performed by the same auditor who audited annual financials. This is the most important thing. It has to be performed by the same auditor who audited annual financials. Think of it in this way. If a doctor already knows the patient, so he will do the diagnosis in quicker way with fewer tests only. The objective of the auditor's goal is to express limited assurance that nothing has come to our attention causing belief that the financials are not properly prepared. Key phrase you have to use, nothing has come to our attention. Scope of review, unlike audit, no detailed verification is there. No extensive testing is to be done. Instead, inquiry and analytical procedures have to be carried out. What are the preconditions? Before accepting, auditor must have audited last annual financials. Entity follows applicable framework and management responsibility is acknowledged. Procedures perform inquiry, ask management any fraud is there or not, any change in accounting policies there or not, any unusual transactions are there or not. Second, analytical procedures compare current versus previous period, budget versus actual, ratio and trend. Example, you can say sales dropped 40%. Ask management why. Other procedures you can take, read the minutes, check internal consistency, and consider internal control. Level of assurance is always limited. Audit gives reasonable assurance, but when it comes in case of review, it is limited assurance. Documentation required. Matters discussed have to be documented. Procedures performed have to be documented, and conclusions read have to be perfectly documented. Reporting under SRE 2410. Format includes the title, the addressee, intro paragraph, scope paragraph, and the conclusion. The conclusion wording should nothing has come to our attention. Practical example, a listed company publishes quarterly results. Audit does not verify all invoices, only compares trends and asks questions. If nothing is unusual, issues a review. This is how SRE 2410 is done. Thank you.